Who wouldn't like this? Oh my god. Every day I wake up, I just think to myself, I'm so lucky not see Josie loves me.
That one.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Hello guys! Hello! Today we are making suman sa ibos using a palm leaves. Ayan. Wala po akong makitang coconut tree here. Kung meron man, napakataas. Buti na lang, may kapinay tayo na may tanim na palm tree. So ayan, may malagkit rice tayo and coconut milk and brown sugar. Ayan, let's start cooking!
A few minutes later.
Hello! Welcome guys to our channel. Welcome to Durban, South Africa. Ayan. Andito naman po tayo magpapatikim po ng another Pinoy food. Kaya lang po, medyo blunder. I tried to make suman sa ibos using palm leaves kasi wala po akong makitang coconut at saka ang taas kung meron man. What is that? Palm tree? Christina? That is, yun ang maganda. Yung mga dahon niya, yung mahahaba. Kasi po yung nakuha ko, ang iiksi, kaya pumalpak. Tingnan nyo, oh. Suman sa ibos gone wrong. Kaya napasuman na lang ako na ganito. Ayan. With yung kanilang, parang mascobado sugar. Ayan. Ano lang po, I am just showcasing here, showing them different ways to eat our suman because they tried already with the syrup, yung latik, and how we making food from out of something yun na naman sa kanila ito. Ayan, okay, so let's go.
Oh, steam.
Steamed glutinous rice flour, rice, yeah. I supposed to do it like this way. This is a palm leaf.
Yes.
But now unsuccessful that I ended up using banana leaves. This is like the very rich unrefined sugar.
Oh, okay. Unrefined sugar.
Okay.
So you just steamed your rice.
That is glutinous rice,
Glutinous rice.
sticky rice. And there are some
Oh,
Yeah.
we call it sweet rice.
sweet rice. Oh.
It's sweet rice.
And I cook it with the coconut milk.
And we cook it with sugar,
Oh,
almonds, milk.
okay. How you do that?
Cream.
So how you call that one?
It's called sweet rice. It's a
Oh,
you buy it from the Indian shops,
yes.
and then they make it.
Okay.
I actually think I would have preferred it without your sugar. Your hand is heavy with sweet things. So just cut out the amount of sugar you put in for them.
Okay. Yeah, some people are so scared to eat sugar, eh?
No, I like sugar, but it is lovely. It's like sweet rice. So they cook it for like prayer, but my granny used to make it like a snack for us.
Oh, okay.
Almonds and milk and ilachi and
That's
boils
flavorful.
and boils and until it gets thick.
That's flavorful.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Lovely.
you. Thank you so much.
Have you started already?
Lady D, you tasted that already before with the syrup. Now it's just a sugar. How is it, Jaden? Oh, you like it?
Just taste it. It's
Why? He ran away. Ayaw ng bata.
He's a funny child.
Lady D, the original thing should be like this. This is from palm leaves.
How pretty is that? Come and look at this. I have no class. Come and look how pretty this is. They are beautiful. But that's how they get presented over there. Gorgeous.
That's from palm leaves.
No, you don't eat that. You eat what's inside you.
That one, it's like that.
This is like what they call this?
They said they call it here sweet rice.
Sweet rice.
It's like a rice pudding.
Yes, it's a sticky rice, that one.
Because they only use jasmine rice.
And that is unrefined sugar.
Is that why it's brown? Okay. That one?
Oh my gosh. You She likes it. Isa pa, Lady D, I got here. You see Jaden, she loves it.
Pinch mine. Oh, she just pinched
Oh my gosh.
No, then you can have mine. And look at it. It stays like this. No, there's plenty. We have to talk about how nice. I've already spoken about it. Your hair.
Oh my god. There you go. Oh, there you go. There. Maybe
I'm learning from you.
I'm learning from you, yes. There you are. That was divine.
wow. Thank you, ladies. Thank you. Bye-bye. Okay, now. Where's my...
Today we're eating dirt. Compost.
I supposed to do this. It's gone wrong.
Huh?
So I'm giving you this. No, okay, if you want to open this.
No.
Don't
You must
worry.
show everyone this one when you show them, so they know what it's supposed to look like.
No, I have another one here.
You sure?
Yeah, try opening it. Guys, that is the palpak one.
Let me open the nice one first.
Does it make a difference?
No.
I'm sure it tastes the same.
That is palm leaves, Kyle.
Palm leaves.
Yeah.
You don't eat it, right?
No, I just wrap it.
I was making sure.
Now, gonna put sugar, Kyle.
Maybe rice.
Huh?
It's rice.
Yeah, the
Yeah,
dirt
it's
comes-
sticky rice.
You eat
Very
the rice
sticky
with
rice.
dirt.
Rice dirt. Yummy.
That's why I gave you that thing to put there.
Mm. Oh wow. This is sugar.
Yeah, the unrefined sugar, Kyle. We call that suman sa ibos.
Ibos.
Yeah, some term in the Philippines.
Ibos.
The original should be the coconut leaves, but we use palm leaf because I can't find.
Doesn't change. It just a bit looks different, but it tastes very good. And the flavor, wow, it's like a. I don't even know how to describe it. A lot of your dishes are very confusing to describe because it's
Confusing.
like I've never had it. I've never had anything like it.
How is it though?
It's good.
Thank you. Put it there. You tasted that kind the other day, but it's elongated.
I
it's-
remember.
Yeah, with the sauce that time though.
Yeah, you had like a sugar sauce,
Yeah, but this one,
like a caramelized sauce.
yes. But we are eating also that one with the sugar.
Yeah, I like it with the sugar.
Mm.
The sauce is nice, but the sugar is like it adds another texture. It's like a crunchy texture, which
Yeah,
is
let's
quite
get your thing now and put it there.
yeah, which is hard to open.
Give me, I'll help you.
Thank you. Look how appetizing. The sugar is like sparkly beads. Look how sparkly. Like sparkly beads.
You're lucky, Kyle, eh? You're tasting Filipino food in South
You know,
Africa.
my friends are so jealous. Every day I wake up, I just think to myself, I'm so lucky Auntie Josie loves me.
And I'm happy you like eating our food.
Who wouldn't like this? Oh my god. One day, I'm gonna move to the Philippines.
Yay!
Just for the food.
And the people, the comments, they're so loving.
So guys, I hope he can come soon.
So good.
You want one more?
One more.
Isa pa, masarap.
Gustong gusto niya. Okay, I'll open it for you.
Salamat.
I'm happy, Kyle. You're always talking Tagalog word now. You must add your words now.
I will. What's the next word? Give me a word. One that I'll use all the time.
Another word is to greet your fans.
Oh yeah.
Kumusta kayong lahat?
I said word, not sentence. That's a bit long.
Okay. Kumusta?
I know kumusta.
How are you?
How are you? Kumusta? I know that one.
Mm.
Next video, I'm greeting you with kumusta.
Yeah.
But what's another word?
Magandang araw. Good day.
Say it again.
Magandang araw
But magandang araw.
sa inyo.
That's very hard.
Ay. Okay, one by
When you
one.
start easy, small
Alright.
baby words.
Yeah, kumusta is how are you? That's the usual thing.
Okay, kumusta?
Mahal ko kayo.
Mahal ko.
Ko kayo.
Mahal
Kuyu.
kuku.
Ay! No, lindot lang.
Oh my god, don't eat it. You're mad.
I can
You're
give you more.
crazy.
There. Nasayangan siya, guys. Just eat. I'll give you more.
5-second rule. Why you did that?
5-second rule.
The floor is wet and muddy.
Just because you want to say mahal kita for everyone, then
Mahal kita sa.
mahal ko kayo. There.
Mahal ko kayo.
Yeah.
There we go.
What is that?
What?
I dropped it.
I can give you more.
It's a big piece too.
Come back if there's that.
Okay. Yeah, you're really the demolition one. You didn't even want to know what that is.
What is that? I thought you said it's what did you say? You said it's
I love you all.
oh, mahal ko kayo.
Oh, there you go. Yay!
Thank you.
You must say that every now and then, right?
10 out of 10. Very delicious.
Okay.
1000 out of 10. Does that make
Thank you so much.
Thank you. It was
See you
very
next
nice.
time.
See you next time. Bye bye.
Bye. Hello, ladies. Fooding time.
What is this? I've never had this.
Suman.
Superman. Superman. Superman is
There you go. Hey!
Oh, it comes with compost.
Wow.
Compost.
Too much sugar.
Diabetes. Help me. It's sticky. Get off.
Becca is fighting with the food.
Of me. 3, 2, 1.
And
Tastes like tea.
tea.
I don't think I'm gonna like this texture, but here it goes.
There you go.
And then somebody's gonna tell me I'm being what?
Texture.
No. You like it?
It does taste like tea.
So no.
It tastes like tea.
Oh, it tastes like tea. And then somebody's gonna tell me I'm being maarte. I'm not maarte. It tastes like tea. And it's not just me.
Why are you always making sticky rice? The texture
Filipinos,
is so weird.
Filipino food.
Filipinos love sticky rice.
But the texture is so weird.
Rice is our staple food. And
I
it's
know
our
this.
dessert.
It's weird.
Have you noticed? Main food is rice and pudding is rice.
Yep. That's what I said to you last night. You make
Because rice is life for Filipinos.
rice.
Rice is life. Without rice, it's not
I
food.
told mom last night, Filipinos are weird. They make rice in every way, including dessert.
How is it?
It does taste like tea. It tastes like rooibos tea with milk and sugar.
It
Really?
tastes like tea, but maybe it's because of the heat. And then the sugar is part of tea. And then the rice is the bland part.
The rice is milky.
Rice is milky.
It tastes like the milk from tea.
But I love it.
It's very nice.
I like the texture.
Thank you.
The texture is weird. It's not as chewy as normal, but
It's crunchy, chewy, moist, and soft. This is a 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10.
a 5 because it confuses my taste buds. It tastes like tea, but it's not tea.
Okay. Thank you, ladies. Bye-bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hi, Mom Marlene. I'm back with pudding.
Thank you.
That is, they call it sweet rice here. Sticky rice. Steamed with coconut milk. I mean, that is with coconut milk and I steam it.
Let me try it.
And again,
Looks
that's
good.
another Filipino delicacy.
Is it? It's looking very nice. Let's try it. Now my problem here,
Hmm?
it's a bit sweet.
Oh, okay.
So I'll just move the sugar away
Okay.
and I'll have it without. Let me try it.
Okay.
That way.
Are you diabetic? Oh, you don't like...
Not a sugar.
Okay.
Really nice.
And did you notice, Madam Marlene? I offered you meal with rice and I've offered you pudding with rice.
Oh,
So that's a Filipino. Rice is life.
okay.
Yeah, we
So you make
Filipinos.
your pudding with rice. You make those puddings with rice.
Yeah, we got rice puddings. I mean, yeah, we got
Other
desserts
puddings as
made.
well.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Now because some people commented like, how is that now? You eat with rice and you still gonna have dessert with rice.
Rice again, yeah. Thank you. It's lovely. Just the sugar now that
Oh,
I'm
yeah.
not a sugar lover.
Okay. Yeah, no, the other version of that is it comes with the syrup, sugar syrup. But
also
I,
the sugar syrup won't do for me unless you have a bit of lemon in it too, you know.
oh, okay. How's my rating there?
Oh, but this is very nice too. I'll give it an 8 on 10.
Okay, thank you so much.
Very nice.
Hope to see you again.